Hi, this video is for the Ask Patrick series. The question is by Rohit Gandhi. The question is, how do you analyze the RC section? Now, there are two things, important things when you are analyzing the RCs. One is to understand, have you understood the passage properly? And second is, have you solved the question properly? So, the one possibility is that you have read the passage but you have not understood the central idea, and because of which you go wrong. Or second could be that you understood the central idea properly. But when you're solving the questions, you do some mistakes while picking up the right questions. Too broadly. One more area that you can also look at, and the third area which is there, which can be incorporated in one of these two, is your time factor. Is there any way I could reduce my time so I can solve more questions in the end? Right? So 3, the central idea of the passage. Second, the questions, and third, the time factor. Look at these 3 areas when you're analyzing the RC section. So let's take the first part. So when you finished your passage, okay, reading the passage, solving the question, etc. after the mock, go back and check out, write down the central idea. And then you go to the questions that are given to you and the answers for it. From there you'll get a fair idea what the central idea is, because usually the answers are based on the central idea. So if your central idea is same with the central idea of the passage or what is mentioned in the questions, then yes, you are thinking in the right direction, you understood it. If no, then find out why have you not understood it. Which part of the RC had the central idea or the main focus? Okay, were you able to comprehend it, or did you miss it? If you missed it, why did you miss it? I mean, few reasons why people miss it is they go into too details, and when you go into too details, then you miss the central idea, or they don't really focus on the part which is really important, and they miss the central idea. Because in an RC, there's some parts important, some parts more detailed, not important as far as central idea is concerned. You need to know where to look for the central idea. Normally at the start or the end, but look out, figure out, try to know where it is. Second, coming to questions. When you've gone to questions, there is a right answer and that is your answer. It is specifically for questions that have gone wrong. Find out why did you go wrong. Did you shortlist the right answer in your options that you thought would be right? If yes, if no, why not? Why didn't you not shortlist the option? Right? That's one part of it. Then while marking the answer, why didn't you mark the right answer? So this true for every wrong answer that you have gone. Find out why did you go wrong. What is the thought process behind which you mark the answer wrong? The next time when you're going to mark, how do you decide which option is correct? I mean, maybe something which is given more detail could be a correct answer. Okay, or something which is closer to central idea could be a correct answer. Try to figure out. Go back and analyze every wrong answer of yours. Third, analyze the time factor. How much have you spent time on the RC section reading, and how much time have you spent on the question answer section? Okay, is it that you have spent too much time on the question answer? A lot of people do that. They spend unnecessary extra time in the question answer by just thinking whether it's right or wrong, whether going back to the passage and rereading the passage. There's a lot of time wastage which goes wrong. Can you reduce some of this time wastage which will help you to solve more questions? Think about it. So all these 3 areas, if you can analyze properly, should help you to understand where you're going wrong in the RC section. Do a thorough analysis. That is the key to improve your scores. Hope that helps. Thank you.